This is tutorial number 132, and it covers precision dimensioning within Catia V5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 127, which is located on the DVD. Now what I mean by precision dimensioning is that, say I want to dimension the distance from this point here to this point here. When I go to do a normal length dimension, and I go to click, I'm not able to select the point. So I select the line and this line here, and then it's up to the function to decide exactly where the points are and to create its own dimension between the two. Now to actually get that dimension between those two, you have to turn on another option. So let's click the length and let's turn the intersection point detection on. So when we click this, we're able to select points rather than just a line. So if I want this point here and this point here, I'm able to select them and create a dimension between the two. So this allows me to get a higher degree of accuracy when I'm dimensioning my my sketches and my drawings. So by having this point detection on, you're able to precisely get a point that you want anywhere on your sketches, and then from those points you're able to dimension straight from them. So by getting these points, again, it's a higher degree of accuracy, and you're able to get exactly what you want when you're selecting it to dimension your parts. And this concludes our tutorial on precision dimensioning within Catia V5.